Hello and welcome to NOBOSS TV. I know it's been quite some time, but I've been traveling full time and creating content and really focusing on how to make this channel invaluable to new entrepreneurs. People ask me, all the time, Lisa, how is it that you can make starting a business or making money look so easy? And the truth is that it's not easy. It's a process and it takes time too. Of course, some businesses take longer than other businesses. What they don't see is the time, the planning, and my process, the process that I use to make sure that all my ideas work. It's actually very simple. But however, it is unique to you and it is unique to the business that you envision. Um, but even with that being said, every successful entrepreneur does it. I just figured out a way to package it and create a business planning tool for new entrepreneurs. No Boss Workshops. So I want to talk to you in this video about how to start a business, how to genuinely start a business, take your idea and make money from it, and then how No Boss does it, how No Boss helps you do it. That's what I want to talk to you about in this video. So let's get started.
Welcome back. What I realized back in those days that even though I had read all these books, had this wealth of information, and had done all this research, what I also needed was for this information to be sorted in some logical order. You know what I mean? There was no method to the madness. I was just armed with a wealth of information, yet I still didn't know where to begin first and how to get my business up and running. So naturally, as I started fumbling through the steps to starting my business, full of stress and uncertainty, mind you, I was also documenting this information and putting it into some type of logical order. Over the years, I continued to update information and improve the process, especially as, say, technology changed. Ultimately, I had refined a process for starting a business, any business, on any budget, and one that would help small, home based, kitchen table entrepreneurs, solopreneurs with limited resources get started much faster and with minimal risk. All of the elements I was worried about as a new entrepreneur. So I know what it's like not to be able to find a job, or the company closes on you, or it gets bought out. But no matter the reason for you being out of work, you still have bills to pay. So I also know what it's like to invest your time and your startup money into your business idea because you can't find a job, all the while not really knowing if your business is going to work. The reason that some people give entrepreneurship a bad rap is because of that unknown. Well, logically, to solve the problem of the unknown is to make it known. With the right tools and resources to answer these questions, new entrepreneurs can feel more confident about the potential of their new business. Think about it. Just a little over 20 years ago, I know I was literally running to the library doing market research with outdated information. Thank God we have technology today where we can do more current and specific research to give us more accurate insight into the feasibility of the business ideas that we're trying to get started. So, access, resources, tools, and insight for us small solopreneurs, that will allow us to create big businesses too. But not necessarily because we have big budgets, but because we're able to use these tools, resources, and insight to our advantage, just like big businesses do. So it was really important to me that this business startup guide I was creating was highly effective. And as you can probably tell, I'm a believer and an advocate in entrepreneurship. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't or can't work for other people, but I am saying that other people and companies control your outcome. They control your livelihood. Now, if you can maintain some of that control by starting your own business, having some side hustles, creating some passive income streams, or a combination of income streams, now you control and you can improve your own financial position. So, whenever I needed to launch a new business, or as I call it, whenever I needed to make some no boss moves, I would always reference my NOBOSS Workshops, the tool that I created to start my business idea faster, with minimal risk, and the confidence that my idea was going to get results. Because the bottom line is, I didn't have any time or money to waste. And most of us entrepreneurs don't. We entrepreneurs like to get things done at a low cost and with a high return. As a new entrepreneur, understand that entrepreneurship is a skill. Starting a business is a process. One without the other isn't enough. Just reading about entrepreneurship isn't going to get your business started. Setting up your business isn't going to make it successful. So, to be successful entrepreneur or to start a successful business, you have to learn and do. Learn the skills and do the process. No Boss Workshops allows you to start your own business in this interactive way. Just as you would learn a trade, for example. No Boss is very hands-on. This is what makes No Boss so effective in helping you achieve success. Number one, it covers all the steps of starting your own business. From the very beginning of what's a good business idea for you, through planning your business to OMG, I'm making money. Number two, it's actionable content. With each step, you would choose the options that are relevant to your business idea, and then you will learn and do this step. If there's any topic of discussion that you don't want to include in your business structure, let's say, for example, you don't want to have employees, okay, just skip that step and move on to the next. Number three, workshop interactivity means that you're getting results and you're making better business decisions. Number four, it gives you clarity, understanding, and ultimately builds your business acumen, which also builds your confidence. Number five, you become more business savvy, of course. Now, I probably don't need to tell you that building your business acumen puts you in a better position to collaborate, network, build, grow, and take your business to the next level. Number six, its workshop hands-on method of planning statistically reduces your risk of failure. Number seven, well, if the risk is reduced, then logically that means it increases your chances of success. Number eight, it makes starting your business less stressful. You're doubting yourself because of the unknown. In the workshops, you're learning, doing actionable tasks, and seeing results as you're planning your business. This in itself reduces stress. Starting a business does not have to be stressful. Once you understand how it's done, we start multiple businesses over and over again. Number nine, it makes starting your business more fun. You're doing the actionable steps, you're learning and creating new things. Number 10, it makes starting your business more realistic. Because you're seeing immediate results and throughout the process, you're actually starting your business, not just reading about starting a business. Someone said, a structure is as strong as its weakest point. This profound statement can be applied to most any aspect of life and business too. So if you're planning to launch your new business and you're going to dedicate weeks, months, even years to building it to the height of its success, wouldn't you want to build it on solid ground? Wouldn't you want to know that you have the greatest chance of achieving your goals and being successful? I know you would. And No Boss Workshops can help you achieve that. While planning your business with No Boss Workshops, you will take the entrepreneurial journey of discovering the perfect business idea for you, developing your business concept, validating your idea, determining the income potential of the business, building a strategy around your ideas so that you can achieve success. and ultimately managing, building, growing, and scaling your business like a boss. This is a tool that all entrepreneurs need to start a new business. I know it would have been so helpful when I started my first business. So I want you to download the trial version just to see for yourself how easy it is to get started. But I also want you to experience the release of stress and anxiety. I want you to feel your confidence build just from the excitement of seeing your ideas come to life. No Boss Workshops is a game changer. No more guessing how to start a business. No more flying by the seat of your pants, unsure what to do, or wondering who your customers are, where your customers are, or why no one's buying from you today.